It burns too?
Then I took Sidewinder all the way over to the Emerald 6.
Oh wow, so you took
And
Emerald.
I just came up Emerald.
Ah.
I covered a lot of terrain.
Yeah.
Harmony Ridge is one of the nicer runs.
I think I skied it yesterday and you went another way.
Sure beats taking that Pika's
What? Oh.
traverse.
Oh, I didn't mind that. I like it.
It's not like the narrow ones where you got the people bombing down.
Yeah, I think you got like a
I love that kind of trail if I'm the only one on it.
I think you got a group of people coming bombing down beside you. I didn't when I skied it. So this is a pretty.
This looks nice. So you come
I
down.
know, that's what I skied right there.
Yeah, but look at you come down here, and that like disappears the gate.
Yeah.
No one on it.
The saddle is
Well,
very
we can't
nice.
go left
but-
off here, right?
Yeah, you can. You can go to the saddle. I didn't know that until now, but I saw people coming down to the left.
Should we do this instead of the peak to creek?
Well, I mean, if we're meeting Mom at 11:40, I feel like that's a better way to get down, because we're not going to be back over here today, probably.
So, which is the better way?
Big Peak to Creek.
Okay.
Then we'll go down to the base and do Excalibur. This goes over some pretty extreme cliffs.
This chair
Mm-hmm.
doesn't end right up here.
It ends after that cliff.
I got a picture of Boomer Bowl.
Really?
I don't know where that is now.
Yep. How is it?
I didn't ski it.
Yeah, but what
So
the...
you'll get, when you come down Harmony Ridge, you get a stunning view down into the entire Symphony Bowl.
Mhm.
And you get a view down into the Harmony Bowl. And you can see the Harmony 6-pack
Yep.
from up high. Remember that last pitch? Last shoot where you get the Harmony Channel?
Yep.
That's where Harmony Ridge ties in.
Okay, so you get that last section.
Yeah.
I think I skied Harmony Ridge yesterday, but I cut back over. I think.
And that's where McConkey's is.
What's McConkey's?
McConkey's is a black diamond that you just drop down off the Harmony Ridge down into.
ski down that. That looks hard. That's a skywalk. You like walk across that in the summer. Okay, the terminal's up here. So you gotta raise it as soon as you get
I'm not raising the bar anytime soon. Nice office you have.